This is one cassava starch processing line machines that is set up and installed in Malaysia by our engineers. The whole cassava starch line is composed of cassava washing machine, cassava crushing machine, fine fiber sieve, desanding cyclone, starch hydrocyclone, vacuum filter, airflow flash dryer and starch packaging machine. The cassava washing machine can wash the cassava tubers to remove the surface mud and sand, remove the outer brown skins and other impurities. The cassava crushing machine can crush the washed cassava tubers into cassava slurry and destroy the structure of cassava cells, to enable the interior starch to be released. The fine fiber sieve can sieve the cassava slurry to separate and remove the fibers from the starch milk. The desanding cyclone can wash the cassava slurry to remove the interior fine mud and fine sand. The starch hydrocyclone can wash the cassava slurry to do the refining and concentrating, in order to remove the protein from starch milk. The vacuum filter can do the dewatering of refined starch milk by principle of constant pressure cake layer bridging and vacuum suction filtration. The airflow flash dryer can do the drying of wet starch by principle of mass transfer and heat transfer exchange. The packaging machine can package the dry starch into standard bags with the required packing scale. All the above machines can finish the whole production process flow from fresh cassava washing to final starch drying and packaging. The input raw materials are fresh cassava tubers, and the output finished products are dry native starch with high fineness and high whiteness, be widely used in the field of household, bakery, snack, noodles, tapioca pearl, meat, food additive, pharmaceutical, modified starch making and paper making etc. So lots of smallholders or companies are planning to set up a cassava starch processing plant in their regions.